Hi everybody. You have learned wow and oops in the previous lesson. Today you're going to learn another two very important interjections, very interesting interjections. Ah, and geez. Right. Let's start with R. This is not aha. Aha is another interjection that you have to learn in another lesson. We use to express our happiness and surprise when we understand something. Yes, I understood what you told. Yes, I understood what you told. Look at this. Yes, I understood what you told. Right. Then, look at this. One of your friends behave like this way. You ask your friend, Ah, you have bought a new polo shirt. You understand that he has bought a new polo shirt. You have bought a new polo shirt. Okay, right. Then some of your friends have visited your home and you're watching a movie and enjoying it and speaking loud. Right. Then your father comes once, twice. You tell your father, ah, we're disturbing you. We're disturbing you, right? That you show your father that you have understood it. Okay, right. Then look at this. One of your friends needs to learn English online, but he doesn't know what to do. Then you explain it to your friend, and then your friend says you, ah, I should subscribe to English Mania YouTube channel. Right. We use R to express our happiness and surprise when we understand something. Okay, let's go to the next one. G's. We use G's to express our annoyance and surprise in a mild way. We use G's to express our annoyance and surprise in a mild way. Okay, look at this. You go to shop. Okay, you go to shop. You need to buy a wristwatch. Then here you search. Okay, right? Then you ask for the price. It breaks the bank. It costs a lot and it's very expensive. You can't afford it. It's unaffordable. Right? You say, geez, it's not fair. Geez, it's not fair. Okay, geez, you express your mild annoyance here. You express your mild annoyance here, right? Okay, then, right, you're in a public place and someone listens to music in a very loud noise. It disturbs you. Okay, geez, please reduce the volume. It's a headache. Okay, geez, please reduce the volume. It's a headache. Okay, right. Then it's okay. Then one of your friend keeps complaining you. Okay, right. Now he will stop. Now again. Now he will stop. Now he keeps complaining. Right. Then you say, "What? Geez, it's enough now. Geez, it's enough now." Right. Okay, we use geez to express a mild annoyance, not a rude annoyance, to express mild annoyance. Okay, my dear students, you have learned another two very interesting interjections today. And cheese. Right. To learn many more interjections, many more interesting English lessons, subscribe to English Mania YouTube channel.